Elevate your job search by showcasing your talent with a powerful Indeed portfolio. First, log into your Indeed account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal Indeed profile page. Now, scroll down your profile until you find the portfolio section. You'll likely see an option to add portfolio or a similar prompt. Click on that. Indeed offers several ways to build your portfolio. You can add individual projects, upload documents like resumes or certificates, or link to relevant external content. Let's start with adding a project. Click Add Project here. You'll input a title for your project, a brief description highlighting your role and accomplishments, and the dates it was active. Crucially, this is where you upload your work samples. You can add images, videos, presentations, or any relevant media that demonstrates your skills. Be sure to choose high-quality files. To upload files, simply click the Upload or Choose File button and select the file from your computer. You can also add a link to projects that are hosted online, such as a website you designed or a code repository. Paste the URL into the provided field. Once you've added all your project details and media, click Save. You'll now see your project listed in your portfolio. Similarly, you can click Upload Document to add supporting files like your resume, cover letters, or certifications. Just select the document and upload it. Don't forget to add links to other relevant professional platforms, like your LinkedIn profile, to provide a more complete picture of your professional history. A well-crafted portfolio on Indeed acts as a powerful visual resume, giving employers a clear understanding of your capabilities. Regularly updating your portfolio with your latest achievements will significantly boost your job prospects.